REXASI-PRO is a European-founded project that aims to design novel techniques and novel frameworks that brings together the collaboration of humans and robots to design novel frameworks that relies on European principles for AI solutions. So trustable components, reliable components, safe components. Everything has to be designed based on trustworthy by design engineering processes. And in the end, we want also to develop greener AI solutions that cuts down the costs both for the single components and for the usage of the multi-agent robots that are involved within the project. The project will aim to define the ethical principles to be compliant with from the robot's perspective and the human's involvement perspective, and to define a roadmap that will help to find the assurance of the framework. This multi-tool will be compliant with the main ethical principles, and in the end we will evaluate the most suitable path toward the assurance framework.
One of the application examples of the project is an automatically driving wheelchair. The wheelchair shall be safe and reliable and behave socially adequate in the presence of people, for which it has been trained on data collected from users. To this end, we have extended a standard wheelchair by sensory equipment and an onboard computer, and developed the safeguarding components and the automatic driving based on a known map of the environment. First use case of the project is to evaluate that the goals have been reached, that the wheelchair can be commandeered to target positions, operate safely in crowded environments, and behave socially adequate both from the perspective of the person sitting on the wheelchair as well as the people in the surroundings.
So use case 2 will be held in a structure provided by Hovering Solutions. This structure is a small couple of rooms representing the final building in the use case 3. Here we have the flying robots and the orchestrators. The flying robots will be in charge of autonomously flying and navigating through an unknown environment, and the orchestrator will be in charge of optimizing the paths in order to reduce the energy consumption. Here there are two main outputs, a 2D map, which is continuously sent to the orchestrator to optimize the mapping process, and a 3D map, which will be the input for the wheelchair in use case 3.
Use case 3 of REXASI-PRO has the aim of developing a collaborating environment among use case 1 and use case 2, where the wheelchair has to reach its destination thanks to the orchestrator that collects information from drones to suggest the best global path to reach the destination, and also thanks to cameras that will be located in some specific zones to monitor the areas and detect some possible crowds or other obstacles, and send the information to the orchestrator that will notify the wheelchair. Also, the system will comprehend artificial intelligence solutions to guarantee the safety of the solution and allow the wheelchair to go through the environment in a safe manner and also with the comfort of the user.
The Italian Association School of Robotics has been invited as an external expert of robotics and ethics in artificial intelligence in the REXASI-PRO European Horizon project. In REXASI-PRO, the definition and analysis of ethical requirements are very important, and they will be analyzed and worked out along all the project, from the first months to the last months, and with all the partnerships. In this, we are inspired by the European document Altai, that is the assessment for a trustworthy artificial intelligence. And we will prepare an ethical self-assessment at the end of the first, second, and third year that we hope could be useful to other robotics and artificial intelligence projects.
So one of the focus of the project is the human-machine interaction. So basically the interaction with the artificial intelligence and the human being. So one of the main point of the project will be how to communicate this interaction between the artificial and the human. Must be easy as possible to understand for normal people. Also, in the time of exploitation of the project, we will focus on the autonomous wheelchair and their certification and their adoption to the market. These kind of technologies are very important for Spindox Labs, and the interaction with human and artificial intelligence will be our focus for the next few years. Coordinating an European project, it's an opportunity to build new partnership and to create a new research project, but also it's an honor to be part of a European research community.